In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to fix a black and white screen on your Samsung Galaxy S23. So there are a couple of options, there are a couple of solutions that I'll be showing you. So the first thing you want to do is check if you have color correction enabled. So go to settings. That takes you to the main settings page. Look for accessibility. Tap on that. Under accessibility, tap on visibility enhancements. Tap on that. And then under that, you should see the option for color correction. Now, if this is enabled like this and set to grayscale, that's the reason you're seeing the screen in grayscale, basically, or black and white. So you can either change to something else, or you can go ahead and turn off color correction altogether. And that's the best setting to take your phone display back to its original setting. Okay, so with color correction off, you should now have a colored display. Now, the second solution to this problem could be you have left sleep mode on. And you can even tell that because you can see the icon in the status bar at the top there. And what you want to do is go into settings. On the main settings page, go to modes and routines, tap on that, and then tap on sleep, which is a sleep mode. And you want to turn off sleep mode by tapping on turn off. And when you turn off sleep mode, that should remove the grayscale. And this happens especially if you have the sleep mode customized to enable grayscale by default. Now, obviously, if you want sleep mode without the grayscale, you can always come here and remove that option. So you can see in the sleep mode settings, you have grayscale on. You can remove that, tap on done, and then now you can have your sleep mode without the grayscale, as you can see. So that's the second solution. Now, if those two things do not work, you might want to try and reset the settings. So go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to general management, tap on that. Under that, scroll down and tap on reset, and then choose reset all settings. So if you tap on that, you'll see this will change security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, settings for downloaded apps. Now, this obviously is going to cause some inconvenience for you, but you might want to go ahead and reset those settings. If that still doesn't work, you can always go ahead and perform a factory data reset. Now, this will cause even more inconvenience, but it's going to take your phone back to exactly the way it was when you took it out of the box. You might have to set up your phone afresh, but that should fix the problem of you having being stuck on a black and white screen on your Galaxy S23. I hope one of the solutions will work for you. Let me know in the comments section below. Along with any questions you might have, let me know down in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and thanks for watching and good luck.